What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be styling Maya's hair. And it's really kind of easy ponytails and bead style. I'm going to start out by spritzing her hair with water. And I also have some leave-in conditioner in my spray bottle, as well as some growth oil. And I'm going to do a whole video on all the different oils I use. So be on the lookout for that. So I'm just going to wet her hair down. And y'all, look at the growth. And she's getting a little bit thicker. Her edges are starting to fill in. Very nice. So I'm very happy with her hair. I'm also going to be using this Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. This is probably my favorite oil because it's light but it's heavy at the same time, if that makes sense. It doesn't leave your hair greasy, but you feel like you're actually putting something on the hair. You can see the shine, see what it's doing. So I really like this oil, and it has a lot of good ingredients, and it's a really good brand just overall. Anything from Camille Rose is amazing. I'm also going to be using, this will be my cream, the Reagan Sanai Moisturizing Leave-In and Detangler. Yeah, I'm sorry, the camera wouldn't focus. I tried to make it focus so y'all can see what the bottle looks like. But I'll leave the information on this brand in the description box. This is a really good detangler and a really good brand as well, especially if you have a child with dry scalp or eczema of the scalp. This is perfect for that. So yeah, and that's pretty much all the products I'm using for this style. Later in the video, you'll see me pull out an edge control. But other than that, that's all the products I'm using in her hair. So I've already parted her hair from ear to ear, and for this top part, it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna try to talk my way through this. But I'm basically parting a triangle in the front, so I'm gonna part diagonally one way and then diagonally the other way, making a triangle. Now I'm gonna split the triangle or the diamond right across. I'm gonna part it right across, making two ponytails. I got this edge brush from. I just got it from my local beauty supply. They're also available on Amazon. I'll try to remember to add some to my Amazon store, which will be linked in the description box. And if you don't have an edge brush, a firm toothbrush works even better. I kind of switch between the two, but I actually prefer the toothbrush. You know, but I'm using this brush because I paid for it. So, but yeah, if you don't have one of these, then just use a firm toothbrush. I got this. I usually get these packs of toothbrushes for about $1 at Walmart. You can get 8 in a pack or whatever. Anyway, I'm going to split these into two, and I'm going to do simple 2-strand twists. Also, if you want to protect your child's edges, especially if they have thicker hair, I would probably use a heavy pomade or a hair grease on the ends of the hair to protect the hair. So here I made a small part along the part that I had already parted, And I'm just going to add some edge tamer, kind of comb it through so that it lays nice and flat. And I'm going to do a flat twist. You could also do a braid if you're better at braiding. And flat twist, I do have a video showing you guys, or attempting to show you guys how to flat twist. So I'll link that. But it really just takes practice. And also I apologize, guys. I know it's really hard to see what I'm doing. My arm is kind of in the way. But there it is right there. And I'm going to do one on the other side as well. So I'm just going to add some beads to this. I'm going to kind of quickly show you how to apply beads. I also have a video showing a more detailed video on how to apply beads, but it's really nothing to it. You can find the beader, the beading tool on Amazon. The whole front section. I think this is so cute and really simple, and it really looks like I did something and I didn't. It's just ponytails and a couple of flat twists, but it looks really cute. For the back of her hair, we're going to keep it very simple. I'm just going to do 4 ponytails and twist up the ends and put beads on the end, and that's pretty much it. That's the entire style. Beads on the ends as well. I don't know if I said it before, but the beads also came from my local beauty supply. What is that on the TV? Yeah, I don't know what Maya is watching. Anyway, yeah, these beads came from my local beauty supply, but I'm pretty sure you can find these on Amazon. And I'm also going to be looking into some silicone beads for you guys, because quite a few have asked, is there an alternative to the beads that are softer, where they're not hitting your kids in the face and the eye and stuff like that. So I'm going to be looking into that pretty soon here. But anyway, yeah, this is the completed style. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.